Hi everyone. We're going to make a little policy envelope book using Graphic 45's metal die sets. You're going to need 4 photo corners, a couple of the circles, and one of these. You're also going to need Make a Splash ephemera assortment. And I'm using 8x8 collection pack, Sunkissed. So you're going to want to cut 1 policy envelope, 4 of the photo corners. You're going to need 2 little brads and 2 of the circles and some string. From the paper collection, I cut these 2 little ephemera cards out. You're going to need a piece of cardstock at 3 5/8 by 2 3/4. You're going to need a couple hinges. My hinges are 3 5/8 by 5/8, and the other one is 5/8 by 3 3/8. Then you're going to need some scraps and some fussy cut items. So to start with, I'm going to grab my piece of cardstock and one of my hinges, my longer one. I'm going to apply glue all the way to the score line to attach it to my piece of cardstock, keeping my score line flush with the edge. I'm going to apply glue to the other side of the hinge. I'm going to fold up my little side of my policy envelope, center this, now I'm going to take this ephemera card and my other hinge. Going to apply glue. Burnish down. Going to apply glue to this side. Trying to center it. So now I'm going to grab my photo corners. Just put an ephemera card in there. I'm going to put my brad in over here. I'm going to put that little ephemera card there. I'm just going to glue a little circle over the little tag hole. On the other little flap, I am just going to kind of hold where I need to put glue. Now I'm just going to trim it. I'm going to grab this little tag from Make a Splash. I'm going to grab 2 of the little circles I punched. I'll put one on that side. That will go in my little pocket. I'm just going to put a little glue on the bottom of this so a picture will slide under. And then I'm going to grab this little tag from the paper collection, and the bottom little tab I'm going to fold up. I'm just going to put a little glue on the bottom of this. I'm going to center it where I want it. And I have a little turtle I fussy cut out. I'm going to add him to this side. So now for the top, you're going to turn it over. You're going to grab your other little brad and circle. You're going to grab your string. And the one that has string on it, I do like to put some score tape over the little legs, just to maybe secure it a little better. I take this other little tag from the paper collection, add some glue, I'm going to center it on my top flap. And I'm going to trim it. I'll turn it back over, and I'm going to tie my string in a knot. Trim them. Okay, so then I'm going to close it up. Around that side. And around it once. And leave just a little tail. light glue. I'm going to add it to the end of my tail. Add my other one on top. Keeping them even. So that is my little folio book. I made this little book to go in this. So this is a folio. It opens like that. I'm not quite done with it. Has a tag there and a tag here. Some of the ephemera cards from the paper pack. And then it has enough room for several photos. I think it'll hold 25 photos. And the back page. And slip a photo under. And this will tuck right in there.